Hi everyone, hey, Ginny here, and I am going to try sharing with you my baby boy album. This is a mini album that I designed using the Whimsy paper, and it will come in a full pre-cut kit if you want, or if you'd like instructions, then I will have the instructions ready to go on Thursday of this week. So I just wanted to get a little bit of a video out there so you can see how cute it is. I'm going to try to hurry and not make you too sick and get that glare off of there. But it would be a really cute for a shower gift. It would be really cute for your baby boy. It would be really cute for a grandparent brag book. And it's pretty simple, but it came out really cute, and I am using the stickers that are retired from last year's spring kit from the babies, and they are on clearance now, and so that's why I decided to release this, because I know that there are some of you out there that have not used them yet, or maybe you have, and I cut out full sheets of letters, so you have 3 colors and you have full alphabets. So if you want to put, you know, Zach's name or whoever's name on there, you can do that also. But it's using this year's Whimsy paper and last year's embellishments, and of course our mini albums, and that is that. And so I'm trying to get you a little bit better view to see the detail. I do think it came out really cute and super simple. And I, of course, give you little tips. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. My little clock plays music. And so I love this page. Little monkey. And yay, you did it. And so you have a page for each month, so you can see how they've grown and changed. And then 12 months for a birthday book. So cute, so simple, so fun. And that is the baby boy book. So enjoy, and if you're interested in one of my kits, I have exactly 11 of the boy and 11 of the girl. Thanks for watching.